Welcome to Rajmudraagrofoods. Today we present to you a recipe for making delicious and tangy mango pickle at home by traditional method. Purchase fresh hand-picked raw mangoes from the market. Rinse them thoroughly with fresh water and dry them off using a clean cloth. Dice them into small pieces. Lay them out and allow them to dry naturally for some time. Add them to a big container. Now it's time to add salt. Stir and mix it properly. Allow it to rest in a sealed container for 24 hours. Now, we will add turmeric powder. Stir and mix it properly. Allow it to rest in a sealed container for 24 hours. Now, it's time to add the ingredients. Crushed cumin seeds, jeera pud, crushed cloves, lavanga powder, crushed black pepper, mirey pud, fenugreek seeds, methi dana, asafoetida powder, hing powder, crushed fennel seeds, soap powder, splitted mustard seeds, mohari dal, red chili powder, tikhat, our own Rajmudraagrofoods pickle masala, lonse masala. Stir and mix it properly. Allow it to rest in a sealed container for 24 hours. It's time to add lakdi ghana groundnut oil. तापवून थंड केलेलं लाकडी घाना फल्ली तेल. Stir and mix it properly. Allow it to rest in a sealed container for 24 hours. Last but not least, organic jaggery. Organic gur. Stir and mix it properly. Leave it undisturbed for another 8 to 10 days. The flavors will melt together and the pickle will develop a delicious tangy taste. And just like that, it's ready. Homemade mango pickle. Here goes our brand sticker and the product is now market ready. If you want more recipe videos like this, stay tuned. Let's look at some benefits of mango pickle. Excellent antioxidant contents. Rich with nutrients. Boosts immunity. Good for hair and skin. Improves digestion. Supports our health. Maintains blood pressure. Place your order for our product today and taste the difference. Enjoy the convenience of home delivery. And let us know in the comments section how the pickle turned out for you. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.